Today we are going to build a simple AI chatbot using Python and Gemini API. And this is one of the simple chatbot, and we'll try to build this in just a span of 5 minutes. So be with me. So I'm currently using VS Code, and I already installed Python in my local device. So if you want, you can use the same thing environment so that you will able to work similar to me. If any issues, please comment in the comment section, so I will help. And this is the file structure I'm created right now. So inside a folder chatbots, I created two files. One is .env for storing all the secret keys, and main.py where we need to write our main logic here. First and foremost, here you see already I've added in the .env or whatever the required things, and for now usually we require Google Generative AI and Python.env, two different modules which you can see in the screen here. So these two dependencies you need to just install it, and it could take around 2 minutes of time. It will take a quick, and once completion you can follow me right now. So just you can create whatever file name you want, you can create that. So first and foremost we need to import whatever the required things what we need to run. For that I'm just first importing OS, so for the environment related variables, and then next I'm just importing Google Generative AI. So Google Generative AI module, whatever as Gen AI, I'm just importing it. And the later part, this is Gen AI library related importings, and later part I'm just and I forgot one thing also, like I need to install this .env related. So I'm just installing, I'm just importing it as well, and these are the things. Now I'm just need to load the .env as well. So once I successfully loaded this, now I need to write this API underscore key. So usually API already exists inside our site, right? So for that I need just os dot get env. So I have saved it with a Gemini underscore API key. So this is a name which I created once. So now what I need to do is I need to configure the Gemini. This connects Python code with Gemini. So for that I just need to Gemini dot configure of API key equal to API key. So this first we have configured it. So this configuration we have done. Oh, sorry, I need to do with the Gen AI. I just imported as a Gen AI. So, yeah, uh, Gen AI, yes. So once that, I need to initialize the model also, right? For that initialization model, I just need Gen AI generative AI. Like here, I'm just want to use Gemini 3 Flash preview. So this is a Gemini related preview model which currently I want to use it. I'm just want to use it, Flash preview model. So if you want to use any other model, if you have handy, so you can use any of them. I'm just closing the quote and just uh, yeah, it's done. So next part is I need to create AI response function also, so that so for that I need to create and like send user input to AI and all. So those items need to be done. For that, I'm just creating a def function, def get underscore response of prompt, which I need to send whatever the users sends it. And once I just added, so now I need to create a response equal to model dot generate underscore content of prompt. So once we have added, so next is the thing is return. So next we need to return the response.text. Whatever the text we get, that we need to return. So this returns only the text response. Okay, so it won't return any other responses. It returns text. Now we need to create a main function called for the chatbot related logics. For that, I'm just creating a main function here. So here I'm just printing for normal related, I'm just printing welcome to the Gemini 3 flash preview. So this is a print message which it will print at the starting of the message. And next to like I'm creating a while true. So I created this keeps chatbot run continuously. As you all know, if you follow me from initial videos, I usually most of the time we create this while true conditions. And now I'm just adding input. So you, and next is close, and that's it. So now I'm talking in like I'm taking input from the user. Now we need to add a conditions also if user input lower in exit or quit. So I'm taking a list here. So inside this, if anything we have, so it will make it into goodbye and it will break the statement. And next is a reply. So here inside this reply, I'm just calling a response, get response, and I'm just passing this user input. So here usually this calling this after like now I'm sending user message to AI completely. And next is like I just need to print the bot reply also, right? So for that I'm just using print. So print bot and reply. So now we have done almost. Now I'm just creating a main function here. So inside this main function, I need to call a main function, whatever I have created. That's it. Our program is almost done. Let me save the program and try to run it. I'm just opening the terminal and try to just hit this python main.py. So let me hit this. So it showed me welcome to Gemini 3 flash preview, whatever the message we have added. And now it's asking me to add something message. I'm just adding hi. Okay, there is some spelling mistakes I created here. Instead of I need to add generate content, it is, so it's not, so I just fix it. So please be careful while typing it. So and now you can just hit again python main.py. Now it will process and okay, I have not saved it. Okay, let me clear the console again. Now I can quickly, I will just run this time. It will work mostly. Just hit it and just enter hi. So you can see it bot has been responded. Hello, how can I help you? Need your name. So I just entered something. So bot usually responding. I don't have a personal name. I'm a large language model trained by Google. So you see now a simple chatbot become into a interactive AI chatbot. So this way it is a very simple chatbot. Try with you in your local. If you have any issues, let me know so that I will try to help you. So in the upcoming videos, we'll try to build a large related real world chatbot end to end with a front end, back end database related. So for that, you stay tuned to our channel and subscribe and share this channel videos to your friends and ask them to subscribe and support us. Thank you for watching.